Hello everyone in a freezing Johannesburg, hence the European jacket. I had a few interesting conversations today about consulting and about helping customers. You know, it's the one principle I work with when I help clients in the AI space, automation, or any consulting work. The ideal end of an engagement is when I'm done, you don't need me anymore. You might need me for other things in the future, hopefully. But I have imparted wisdom, training, transferred IP. I've really spent time with you, and of course for the right commercial model and payment. But I help you and I empower you to go on without me. Most consultants, and especially consulting firms, will want to embed themselves so that you constantly need them, that you rely on them heavily, and that you can never get rid of them. And because your IT systems are so critical to your business operations, you almost don't dare asking them, why is it taking 2 hours a day? And why is it every day? And why are there all these support calls? And why are the systems down? And why are there all these delays? We can do better as consultants. We can actually massively increase our business and our earnings by giving the right kind of value to our customers, because there is the law of exponential returns. I believe in it. I've seen it in my life. I see it now. And we are imperfect. We will make mistakes. Sometimes we can't help clients because we don't know. We need help. People want honesty. They want to see value. So build them with confidence, but build them also with a sense of ethics. I really believe that my time and my expertise is worth X, but what I am going to give you will help you to do this by yourself. And then we look at the next initiative. And that's the other thing I've learned. There will always be a next initiative. Again, exponential returns. If you have 50 customers and most of them are really happy with your service, most of them believe you've really added value, they can go on without you, they will come back to you. And then next year you've got 70 clients, and the year after you've got 100 clients, and you start to grow. The principle of exponential growth, but it's based on ethics and honesty and imperfection. IT is filled with fly-by-night liars. And we think our clients are so stupid that they rely on us so heavily and that only we can help them. A lot of clients fall for that. But in this age where AI and digital skills are becoming rapidly democratized, our clients are becoming smarter than they've ever been. And they don't contract us because we know everything. They contract us because we can help them with financial, meaningful business value, not just technical skills. And if I can just end with this, one of the best things you can tell your client when you don't know is, I don't know. I'm going to try and figure it out. I might get somebody else to help you. People respond to honesty and authenticity. But if you are money hungry and narcissistic, it might in the short term benefit you, but you will not grow a sustainable business. So fellow consultants, especially in the AI space, let's be honest with our limitations. Let's be honest with what we can do and can't do. And let's always make sure that what we do does not only add technical value, but true financial business value.